Oh. IKEA. Try to find something to buy. I'm just lost. I'm just gonna find a blanket for sleeping. Okay, I just got my blanket. One thing I want to say is that I think it's really hard to find things in IKEA by yourself because here is so big. And it's easy to get lost any chance. Finally, I made it to the ice cream zone. Alright, I'm in the queue now, and I'm going to have a coffee in the queue. Okay, thank you. Now we just insert the coin. And then I think we got a problem now. Oh. Okay, we just changed to a new one. Let's try it again. So what's the problem now? Should be fine, right? Is it? Okay, I just got gonna get coffee as well. All right. I'm home now, and let's just check the view here.